Greetings, everybody. This is Articles of Reality. And what we're going to do today is we are going to continue with the Rig Veda. Now, what we're going to do, though, in my first video, I briefly went over what it was and went over a couple of the hymns. But what we're going to do for this series is instead of going, from hymn to hymn, I grouped them together to ones that follow different categories and whatnot. So what we're going to do is, in this series, in each video, we're going to go through the hymns by category or by themes, if you will. So for today, we're going to be looking at the creation hymns. Okay, you guys? So we're going to be jumping around a little bit, and we're going to go from there. All right? So this first video, we will be looking at the creation hymns. We're going to talk briefly on where they're located, which mandalas they're in, and then we're going to just go through, you guys, and see what knowledge we can extract from this beautiful text. So let's dive right in. The Nasadiya Sutra, or the creation hymn, located in the 10th mandala of the Rig Veda, is one of the most contemplative and thought-provoking hymns in Vedic literature. It grapples with the profound mystery of the universe's origins, posing questions that remain as relevant today as they were a millennia ago. The hymn opens with a depiction of the primordial state, a time before the existence of the cosmos, a realm of indeterminate potential. Then was not non-existent nor existent. There was a realm of no air, no sky beyond it. What covered in and where, and what gave shelter? Was there water there, unfathomed depth of water? In these lines, the hymn describes a state of nothingness, where neither existence nor non-existence is distinguishable. This paradoxical description emphasizes the ineffable nature of the pre-creation state, a time before time, where concepts of space, matter, and even the void itself are yet to emerge. It invites readers to step beyond the boundaries of conventional understanding and ponder the vast, uninformed expanse that preceded creation. The hymn continues hinting at the emergence of a primal force or energy that initiates creation. This force is described as a kind of primordial heat or warmth, symbolizing both spiritual and physical energy. Darkness there was, at first concealed in darkness, this all was indiscriminate chaos. All that existed was the void and formless. By the great power of warmth was born that unit. Here in this text, warmth or heat is seen as the creative force that transforms chaos into cosmos, bringing forth the first unit of existence from the void. This concept of heat as a creative principle underscores the dynamic nature of creation, where energy and transformation are central themes. The ambiguity and abstraction of this force highlights its mythical quality, something beyond human comprehension, yet fundamental to all existence. As the hymn progresses, it reflects on the process of creation itself, raising questions rather than providing definitive answers. Who really knows? Who will here proclaim it? Whence was it produced? Whence is this creation? The gods came afterwards with the creation of this universe. Who then knows whence it has arisen? In these lines express a profound humility before the mystery of creation. Even the gods, who are considered the custodians of cosmic knowledge, arrived after the creation of the universe and thus do not possess complete understanding of its origins. This admission underscores the limits of human and even divine knowledge, promoting a sense of wonder and reverence for the unknown. It encourages an open mind and contemplative approach to the mysteries of the universe. The hymn concludes with a reflection on the unknowable nature of the cosmos' origin, leaving the ultimate question. Whence all creation had its origin, he, whether he fashioned it or whether he did not, he who surveys it from the highest heaven, he knows, or maybe even he does not know. So in this final verse, the hymn acknowledges the possibility that even the supreme overseer, the ultimate divine being, might not know the origins of creation. This remarkable statement embraces the mystery of the cosmos, suggesting that some aspects of existence are beyond even divine comprehension. But it also invites the reader to accept the limitations of human knowledge and to appreciate the beauty of the unknown. All right, you guys. So what we're going to do now is jump to the Purusha Sukta. All right, and the Purusha Sukta is the hymn of the cosmic man. So let's dive right in. The Purusha Sukta, another key creation hymn found in the 10th mandala, presents a vision of the universe as an embodiment of the divine being known as Purusha, the cosmic man. This hymn provides a grand and vivid portrayal of creation, emphasizing the interconnectedness of all life in the cosmos. The hymn begins by describing Purusha as an immense, all-encompassing being whose body constitutes the entire universe. And here also, one thing that I noticed that I didn't do in the first sukta is I wasn't letting you guys know exactly when I was quoting from the text. So let me do that as well. Okay. Or at least when I'm throwing out quotes. Okay. So let me quote, let me quote with the hymn. 1,000-headed is Purusha, 1,000-eyed, 1,000-footed. He having pervaded the earth on all sides, extended 10 fingers breadth beyond it. End quote. This portrayal of Purusha as having 1,000 heads, eyes, and feet signifies his omnipresence and omnipotence. He transcends the physical dimensions of the world, symbolizing the unity and totality of all existence. The description emphasizes that Purusha is not confined to any single form or aspect of the universe, but encompasses all of it. The hymn further details how the various parts of Purusha's body correspond to different elements of the cosmos and human society. His mouth became the Brahman. His arms were made into the Kshatriya. His thighs, the Vaishya. From his feet, the Shudra were born. This division of Purusha's body symbolizes the creation of the social order and the natural world. The Brahmins emerged from his mouth, symbolizing wisdom and knowledge. The Kshatriyas from his arms, representing strength and protection. The Vaishyas from his thighs, denoting sustenance and commerce. And the Shudras from his feet, signifying the support and service. This structure reflects the interdependence and harmony of society and the cosmos, each part essential to the whole. The Purusha Sutra also describes the sacrificial act through which Purusha himself is offered, leading to the creation of the universe. From that great general sacrifice, the dripping fat was gathered up. He formed the creatures of the air and the animals, both wild and tame. The sacrifice of Purusha represents the principle of cosmic order and the cyclical nature of creation, preservation, and dissolution. This act of self-offering signifies that creation arises from the divine's willingness to transform and manifest in myriad forms. It underscores the sacrificial nature of existence, where life and creation are sustained through continuous cycles of giving and renewal. So the themes of creation and cosmology in both of these suktas, they offer rich and diverse perspectives on the origins of the universe, reflecting the Vedic sages' profound philosophical inquiries. These hymns explore fundamental questions about the nature of existence, the cosmos, and the divine, presenting creation as a dynamic and mysterious process. The themes of creation and cosmology in the Rig Veda are marked by a deep sense of wonder and reverence for the unknown. The hymns embrace ambiguity and multiple interpretations, inviting us, the readers, to engage in their own contemplative journey. This openness to the mystery and plurality of thought is a hallmark of Vedic literature, reflecting a culture that values diverse perspectives and philosophical exploration. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the first video going into the creation hymns. So stay tuned, and we are going to continue going over the themes of these hymns in this amazing text. I appreciate you guys. Stay tuned. There will be more videos coming soon. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know which text that you want to see analyzed, and we can go over that as well. Stay tuned. This is Articles of Reality. Peace and love.